Waste disposal and recycling during home projects can totally stress you out if you don't get it right from the start. Okay, so first off, always sort your waste materials right there on site. Like keep wood, metal, plastics, and general trash in separate piles or bins. This makes everything way easier when you haul stuff off later. Next, find recycling facilities nearby that actually take your sorted materials, because not all places accept everything, you know? It's super important to follow local waste disposal guidelines so you don't end up with fines or weird legal issues. A quick call or a check on your city's website can save a ton of headaches. Also, try to reduce waste by reusing materials where you can instead of chucking them. If you're working with contractors, ask them how they handle waste. They might already have a system in place. Keep hazardous waste like paint or chemicals separate and dispose of them safely. Don't just toss them in the trash. Planning your waste disposal ahead of time saves you time, money, and lets you stick to eco-friendly habits without even stressing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with waste disposal and recycling during home projects is mixing all their waste together, which makes recycling almost impossible and costs more to dump. Just sorting on-site fixes that. Another common issue is not checking if the recycling center accepts your materials. Some places won't take construction debris or certain plastics, so always confirm first. Lastly, ignoring local waste disposal guidelines can lead to fines or having to redo the whole process, so be sure to learn what rules apply in your area and stick to them. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know their way around waste disposal and recycling. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people ready to start their big home projects without the usual hassle.